In order to add a IP camera that is mated to work with your NVR or DVR, it's a simple process. Once you're logged into your DVR, hit main menu, go to camera, registration, and hit device search. Any compatible IP cameras that show up as manufacturer private are mated to work with this NVR or DVR. So what you would do is simply, you can do a auto add by doing a click and hit add. This procedure will work if your camera has a password of admin on it and it doesn't have some other user specified or custom password applied to it. But if you receive a password error, then what you would have to do is manually add it. You would have to know what your IP address is and the password. So the way to do that is you will do manual add, select manufacturer as private. Again, I found that here from the camera. So go to manual add, private, put in the IP address of the camera, and then the username and password. Leave the TCP port alone unless you've changed the TCP port. We don't suggest you change the TCP port. There is no need to change it on a local network. And hit connect. And the camera will connect to the NVR, and you should see video in a couple of seconds. Also hit apply, and here you go. You've got video from the camera and it's connected. Hit OK, and then you can see it with a green status, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you need to change the name of the camera, you can certainly go in and change it to whatever you like. Hit apply, hit OK, and since this is a camera that's mated to work with our NVRs, you see that the name actually changed. When you're using on-view cameras, those are not mated and they're not made to be super compatible with any NVR. You will not see propagation of these parameters back to the camera. You would have to program them directly back on the camera. The great part of using cameras that are meant to be used with this NVR is there are a lot of features that you can basically access through the NVR and change them, such as all these image settings on a camera and the encoding settings. You just have to do it through the NVR. It makes device management super easy. Thank you for watching.